What's going on, everybody? Marcus Power here, Mr. Xauusd, and I'm back again with market analysis for the week. Last week was NFP, so we were not trading last week. But however, we had trades running from the previous week. So we're just gonna go through gold, go through the DXY, go through what happened during NFP week, and what we had analyzed before, and then we're just gonna go on to what we expect to happen next and move like that. Um, So from previous analysis, we had seen that the DXY, according to our strategy, we wanted the DXY to go bearish, and that's exactly what we got. So, like I've said before, we like to trade from trend line to trend line. So right now, we're expecting the DXY to come touch into here, and then we'll see what happens from there. Either it goes back up, or we could see the market break below and move in that direction. But however, we're not there yet. We're just speculating. So for now, uh, we're expecting DXY to be bearish until this order block down here or this trend line down here. This is a monthly time frame. So let's just step into the weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, as you can see, the DXY is currently in a bearish trend. Currently in a bearish trend from what I see, because we have this particular movement. What can I use? This was our highest point. We had a drop, retracement. Now we're having some sort of drop movement. So that's what I see right now on the DXY. I'm still bearish on the DXY. So this is a weekly time frame, and we're just expecting the DXY to keep dropping. If you go into a day, then now things get a bit clearer. This is the sort of channel that we have right now, because for us to draw a trend line, we need 2 points. First point, second point, and everything else will line up after that. So according to what I'm seeing right now, the DXY had a drop phase, retracement. Now we are currently in another drop phase that I'm expecting to reach down here or into this blue zone. But that's a longer term view, since this is a daily chart. Uh, if we go back into the analysis from the previous week before, when we did analyze, we're looking at the DXY, and this was our crucial point, this low here. We wanted the market to break this low and close below this low on a daily time frame, which it did. For us, that then signaled that, okay, gold might be trying to go bullish, since the DXY had broken a daily structure and closed below a previous low on the daily time frame. So for us, that was a indication or a signal to look for bullish positions on gold. And if you look what happened after we broke the low and closed below the low, the market gave us one of our entry signals, and I was looking at this. This is a bearish flag pattern consolidation, a break, retest, and clear drop. So looking at this, the DXY is clearly in a bearish trend. So what can we expect right now from the DXY? If I go to the daily time frame, from the daily time frame, I can only see one thing right now. Uh, I have this hidden base. So a hidden base is when these two candles are almost like touching. There's no really space in between. There's no candle in between. It's two candles with wick on either side, and they're almost touching. So for me, this could be an entry point where the DXY could reverse to and reject from and continue to further drop, which that hidden base also aligns with a order block that's here. Again, Looking on the H4, there is this order block, but it's not as strong because it's so close to the low, and there's news today, and another hidden base here. So, however, if we do break this order block and we do break this hidden base and we come into here, this could be a higher probability chance to uh, get those bearish movements. So yeah, that's my view on the DXY and what happened last week. If we move to gold, we start off on gold on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame right now on gold, we are clearly in a bullish movement. If I can just update this, there's another order block right there on the monthly where we could get some reversals, possibly. But right now, like we said, we like to trade from trend line to trend line, and this is the longer term view. We had a push up, push the low. Now we're having a push up. We expect it to come up into here. But this is a longer term view on gold. Gold right now, we just uh, broke previous highs and closed above on a monthly. We're going to close above, hopefully, at the end of this month. We'll close above these previous lows, these previous highs, and be certain that gold is going to the upside. If we go on a weekly, same thing. We have this trend within a trend. So the black lines are our monthly trend lines, and then the purple ones are the weekly trend lines. So we have a trend within a trend, right? Looking at this here, it was pretty simple to see, I guess. We had a push and then we had a bullish flag pattern, but a larger time frame bullish flag pattern, which was created over January and February. So this is a stronger pattern because it was created over a longer period where we had a lot of confusion about what was happening on gold. Is it going to go bullish? Is it going to go bearish? But the market was just creating a larger time frame pattern. That's why we got consolidation on the lower time frames. So right now, gold is bullish. And what am I seeing here? I have a hidden base here, but I doubt we'll retrace back into this hidden base. I think we're just gonna have some more bullish movement, and we're targeting up in here, maybe this green line here or this upper trend line here. Then we can get some sort of reversals or something like that. But for now, I'm still bullish on gold. There's still good opportunity to buy. If we go to the lower time frame, let's go to the daily. If we come over to the daily, there's still not much to see. It's just a straight push, straight bullish candle. So we have to drop lower to see or to get some sort of entry signals or to see price action in a better manner. Let's say I just do that. So last week, no, the week before when we were analyzing gold, the market was down here. We had this order block right there, and we had this hidden base. And at the same time, we had a bullish flag pattern on a lower time frame that was forming. That's when we saw that the DXY had broken structure to the downside, so we expected buys on gold. And this is exactly what we got. A beautiful straight push with minimal drawdown. Uh, so this move resulted in, let me just show you right now. Where is it? I did manage to get funded with Funded Next. So just a small account, $6,000 account. And as well, I did manage to get funding on Funded Trader Capital with another 5K account. So that's $10,000 under management right now. So hopefully in the coming weeks, we can now start getting some payouts and looking forward to more trading opportunities. But Let's now currently look at gold and what's happening. Right now on the H4, this is where I can see a bit of price action. I have this previous low right here. So before it broke above this high, we have this low, and we have an order block right here. And we're currently forming this bullish flag pattern that I'm monitoring. So what we're looking for right now is any drop into this order block. We'll take the buys and we'll have our stop loss below this low. Uh, if we do manage to break above this bullish flag pattern, we'll look for a retest and we'll look for further buys. Our stop loss will be below the previous low just before this break. And that's basically what we're looking for on gold. We do have CPI today at 2:30. We have CPI today at 2:30, so we'll just see what happens with the market. CPI could give us some volatility, so we'll just see what happens. But as you can see during the NFP week, I was marking out scaling points that were possible to take. However, my original trades were down here, so I was safe. There were one, two, three, about three scaling opportunities on this move, which was pretty great, according to my strategy, which is pretty simple. So yeah, that's all I see on the DXY. That's all I see on gold. Uh, I hope this video is informative to anybody. If you like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. Uh, but either way, I'm always going to be dropping videos. This is where I document my journey, and we're making moves. We're making moves. Two prop firms right now. Funded with two prop firms. Small accounts, but everything will compound going forward. We've been putting in the work for a long time. I think close to a year now of straight work, and yeah, let's just see what happens going forward. The first quarter is about to end. Hopefully, we can secure a payout before the first quarter and see what the second quarter is holding for the year. If we go into the news, let's just go to the news. So yeah, 2:30 today, CPI. There's also 10-year bond auction and 30-year bond auction. I've never experienced this news event yet. It'll be interesting to see what happens. Uh, and then if we go to the sentiment, yeah, sentiment is still minority is long, the majority is short. So we always want to go with the minority. So we're still looking for longs on gold. But yeah, Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd. I hope this video was informative. If so, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you like the content. But yeah, let's keep working, let's keep going.